How you going? Mick here at Diggermate. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to climb a mound with a mini excavator.
Want the best rates on mini excavators and tight access earth moving equipment? Go to diggermate.com.au and get it done with Diggermate.
In the case where you've got quite a steep mound like we have here in our own personal quarry, you're going to need to prepare the area first so there's a spot to land when you get to the top of the mound. Otherwise, if you're not climbing a mound like this, this will also apply to steep gradients where you need to go up or down a really steep gradient. Now the trick is to use a combination of the bucket and the boom at the same time as using your tracks. So once you've prepared the area, make sure the boom's right in front of you. You may be able to just track straight up if the boom's in the right position, but in cases where the mound is quite steep, you get a full bucket on the far side of the pile and drive yourself up at the same time. You pull the tracks in and you use the bucket to pull yourself up on top of the mound.
Thanks for watching. To get the best prices on machinery hire, book machines, see specs and availability, go to diggermate.com.au. If you found this video useful, please be a mate of ours and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the share link below and share this with your friends and give us a thumbs up.